Hello kids, welcome to fun learning and entertaining session. We have already learnt about phonic sound of alphabets A to L, and today again we are going to learn about few more phonic sounds of alphabet N to Q. So this is the phonic sound session part 3. So let's get started. So which letter comes after letter L? Letter M. M says M says Children, try to speak up along with ma'am. So what is the sound of letter M? So let's learn the phonic sound of letter M along with an action rhyme. So everyone rub your tummy as you are seeing tasty food and pretend you are feeling hungry. The mom and the dad make many meals. Many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals. Many meals. For their hungry children. Once more. The mom and the dad make many meals. Many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. So M says M for monkey. Monkey. M for mango. Mango. M for mat. Mat. M for mouse. Mouse. Next letter is N. What is the sound of N? Say along with ma'am. Pretend to be an aeroplane. Spread your arms out like wings. So let's learn the phonic sound of letter N along with an action rhyme. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Once more, spread your arms out like wings. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. So N says N for nest. Nest. N for nose. Nose. N for nut. Nut. N for night. Night. Now children, tell me which letter comes after letter N? Very good. Letter O. This is letter O. What is the sound of letter O? O. O. Children, everyone try to speak up along with ma'am. O. And pretend to turn a light switch on and off and say O. 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 So let's learn the phonic sound of letter O along with an action rhyme. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Time for bed, the lights go off. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Time for bed, the lights go off. So O says O. O for orange. Orange. O for octopus. Octopus. O for ox. Ox. O for oyster. Oyster. Now the next letter is letter P. Very good. P comes after letter O. Now what is the sound of letter P? P says P. So try to speak up along with them. P, p, p. So everyone, hold up your finger in front of your mouth as a candle and puff it out. P, p, p. Very good. So let's learn the phonic sound of letter P along with an action rhyme. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. P for parrot. Puff, puff, parrot. P for papaya. Puff, puff, papaya. P for penguin. Puff, puff, penguin. P for peacock. Puff, puff, peacock. Now next letter is letter Q. Yes, letter Q comes after letter P. So what is the sound of letter Q? Quack, quack, quack. So children, everyone make a duck's beak with your hands and say quack, quack, quack. So let's learn the phonic sound of letter Q along with an action rhyme. The duck in the pond quacks quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quacks quack, 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 all around the pond. Once more. The duck in the pond quacks quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quacks quack, 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 all around the pond. So Q says quack, quack, quack. Q for queen. Quack, quack, queen. Q for quill. Quack, quack, quill. Q for quilt. Quack, quack, quilt. Q for quail. Quack, quack, quail. So these are different words that begin with letter Q. Now children, let's recall one more time the phonic sounds of alphabets N to Q along with actions. So let's begin. M says M says N says N says O says P says p. Q says quack, quack, quack. So children, these are different alphabets that have different sounds. So it's a very important topic. Keep learning and keep practicing. So I'll be back very soon with an interesting topic. Till then, take care and stay tuned. So thanks for watching video. Bye bye.